Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Odyssey starter. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, locate the starter motor, which is usually found near the transmission. Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary tools, such as a ratchet, various sockets, and wrenches, to ensure a smooth process. Once the battery is disconnected, you'll need to remove any components that might be blocking access to the starter. This could include air ducts or other small parts. Then, carefully unbolt the electrical connections from the starter solenoid. Finally, remove the main mounting bolts that secure the starter to the engine or transmission housing. Keep track of all hardware. With the old starter removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new starter into place and hand tighten its mounting bolts. Once aligned, fully tighten these bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. Next, reconnect all the electrical wires to the starter solenoid, ensuring each connection is secure and properly seated to prevent future issues. After installing the new starter and reconnecting all wires, reattach the negative battery cable. Double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Now, attempt to start your Honda Odyssey to confirm the new starter is functioning correctly. If it starts, you've successfully replaced your starter. For great deals on reading devices and other helpful products, remember to check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.